Lighting is a very important element in any video, and it's not hard to get really great results with the right lighting technique. So today, I'm gonna share with you guys how you can use the umbrella light to get better results. There's a link in the description for the umbrella light. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamika and I'm from the Bennett's Club. If you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel or grow your channel to maximize your potential on YouTube, you're in the right place. So today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this umbrella light to see how you can use the light as a beginner to build and grow your channel. The umbrella light is very easy to use, it's very easy to set up, very easy to move around, and very affordable. So let's jump right into this unboxing and see what we got. First, I can see the two umbrellas. It's just some white umbrellas. Okay, I don't know what this looks like, a lunch bag. I guess it's a bonus. You have some setup manual. So if you don't know how to set it up, you get a nice manual to follow. I guess this is your carry bag. Your bulb, so you get three bulbs because it's 3 lights. And this is a socket for the bulb, and you also get 3 of those. And I'm guessing this is the short light. Okay, you have 2 short lights. So this is the short light stand. So you have two of the tall one and 1 of the short one, because it's a 3-piece set. And here you go. So I'm gonna set it up and then I'll bring you guys back to see what it looks like. I am done setting it up. It wasn't hard, it was really like literally simple. I didn't even use the manual. So I'm gonna show you guys now what it looks like, and then I'm gonna do a light test. So I'm gonna be using the natural light because I normally record right here. See, that's the window right there. That's used to be my light. So this is where I normally record to get the natural light. So we're going to do a natural light test, then I'm going to close the blinds, then I'm going to do a light test, which I've never recorded with that light, the roof light, but we're going to do 3 tests. So the natural light, the roof light, and our new umbrella light, and we're going to compare. So let me show you what the setup look like. So this is how you put on the umbrella on the stand, and this is the setup. So I would normally sit right there, and as I say, the window is right there that I get my natural light from to do my videos. So with these lights now I can be more versatile. I can be able to move around because I'm normally I'll be limited to just that spot or another spot in the kitchen where I get natural light. But now this is gonna allow me to move around because I can go like literally anywhere in the house where there's no window that I can record. So, but if I'm gonna record right here, then this is a setup. So basically you want 1 on each side, and because I'm sitting down, I kind of face them down, and then you have this little one in the middle, which I really don't believe I'll be using this little one at all. I really don't think I'll be using it, but just for the purpose of this video, I wanted to show you. Maybe I'll use it for like photo shoot, because definitely that one doesn't come with an umbrella. So of course it's gonna give you a harder light. It's not gonna be so soft. And I'll explain to you guys what the umbrella light really does for you. So that's it. Now is with the windows closed. So this is just literally all the lights that's coming in through the crease of the blinds, because the blinds are closed. So this is it without any light. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn on the roof light first, because you already saw what the natural light looks like, because that's what I've always recorded in. At the beginning of this video, I was also using the natural light because I didn't set this up yet, obviously. So now I'm going to turn on that light, the ceiling light, and we're going to make a comparison. Okay, that wasn't so bad. I've never recorded with that light, but it's pretty decent. So yeah, so that's what the roof light looks like. See, it's on. It is not that bad. Like, if I had no other option, it could have worked, you know. But let's try out the umbrella lights now. Voila, I'm loving it. It is so, ooh, I like it. So this is the umbrella light right here, giving me all of this, and it is so beautiful. It is, you can see the difference of the natural light, the ceiling light, the house light, and the umbrella light. This light is so much warmer. It is so, it spreads out also. It doesn't just focus on me, so it'll definitely light my background, light everything around me. So and that's the difference with this light and the box light, and that is why I did not opt for a box light, because the box light literally just focus that light on you, directly on you, as opposed to this spreads it out. It makes it much more softer. So as you can see, there's no harsh line on my face or whatever. That's what this one does. And with the umbrella light, it's much easier on your eyes, because it's literally so soft. Like, I can literally be looking at it and it's not like affecting my eyes, because it's not that bright, from what I understand with the box light, because it's literally just beaming at you. It's much harder on your eyes. So guys, a tip: whenever you're setting up your umbrella light, you want your umbrella to be between you and the light. That's gonna diffuse the light, so it's not as harsh as, oh, and by the way, I'm not using the small one right now. It's just the 2 umbrella. I should probably turn it on and see the difference. Okay, so I just turned on the small light. Definitely much harder on my eyes, as I did mention, because literally right now it's just like dazzling my eyes. It's definite, because there's no umbrella over it. It's just really bright. So I don't think, as I said before, I don't think I'm going to be using that light much. Probably if I'm taking pictures of a product or something. Okay, let me turn it off. It's really harsh. Yeah, so maybe depending on what I'm doing, then I might use it, but I think just the 2 umbrella lights, the big ones, are perfect. Really perfect. They do a really good job lighting me, lighting the area, so now y'all can see me. Great lighting is very much essential. Here on YouTube, it can either make you or break you. So if you get a chance, make sure that you have lighting. And as I say, you don't have to try to go out and buy expensive lighting. This one was very affordable, and I'll leave a link to it in the description. And if you cannot afford a light, do not let it stop you. As I said before, I've been using the natural light. I've been using sunshine, thank God. But for me, it limits me, because I have to always be against the clock. Like, when there's overcast days, I can't record. When I do recording in batches, like I would like to record like 3, 4, 5 videos for the entire day, by 5, 6 o'clock, I have to pack it up. I have to stop. But with this, my schedule for recording is going to be much more flexible. I can record in the middle of the night. I can record early morning. I can record anytime I want. If it's pouring cats and dogs outside, I can record. And that's why I went ahead and invest in these lights, because I'm looking for that flexibility, you know. But as I say, if you cannot afford it, don't let it stop you. Use your window. I've been using the window and it did not stop me. You guys saw my videos. All I use to record is my phone and my window. So don't let it stop you. And if you haven't seen that video where I made of how you can start YouTube on your phone, I'll put a link to it in the cards and in the description also, and I'll put it on the screen at the end screen. So with that being said, take care. Thanks for watching.